In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically send an email with a download to a new subscriber using Mailchimp. This is a fantastic way to instantly reward new subscribers with valuable content and keep them engaged from the start. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to prepare and host your downloadable file. This could be an ebook, a guide, a checklist, or any other type of file you want to share with your new subscribers. Make sure your file is clear, concise, and offers genuine value to your audience. You can host this file on a cloud service like Google Drive or Dropbox. Just ensure that the sharing settings are set to public so that anyone with the link can access it. Once your file is uploaded, copy the shareable link as you'll need it later in the process. Next, it's time to create the welcome automation in Mailchimp. Log into your Mailchimp account and navigate to the automations section on the dashboard. Here, you'll want to select Create and choose Email, followed by Welcome New Subscribers. This is where you'll set up your automation workflow. Give your workflow a name that you'll easily recognize, especially if you plan to have multiple automations running simultaneously. This step ensures that each new subscriber is recognized and an email is triggered accordingly. After setting up your automation, the next step is to design the email your new subscribers will receive. This is crucial as it's often the first direct contact you'll have with them. Choose a template that aligns with your brand's look and feel, or create your own from scratch. The most important part of designing this email is to include the link to your downloadable file. Find a suitable place in the email content to add a clear and enticing call to action, like download your free ebook here. Highlight the text or button and insert the link you copied earlier. This step seals the deal, ensuring subscribers can easily access the content you promised. With your email designed and the download link in place, you're almost ready to go. The final step is to start the automation. Double-check all the details to ensure everything is set up correctly. Look over your email design, test the download link, and verify that the correct trigger events are selected in the workflow. Once you've reviewed everything, hit the Start button. Your automation is now active, and Mailchimp will handle the rest by automatically sending your carefully crafted email to each new subscriber. And there you have it, a clear and automatic way to share valuable downloadable content with your new subscribers using Mailchimp. It's a simple yet effective strategy to engage your audience right from the get-go and nurture long-term relationships. I hope this guide helps you set up your email automation with ease. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.